Another new ride for the Ashton family. Not really though. This is my dad's car. What do you guys think of this thing?
Dirty.
Cool.
It is super dirty.
Yeah.
My YouTube channel has been growing like pretty quickly lately. If you're new, thank you for watching. And I think it's super cool. And I realize after watching a lot of other people's YouTube videos that I don't ever like give an introduction to my videos or say who I am or anything. So I'm gonna try to do that. I also never say like and subscribe, but you should like and subscribe. This is my 2017 C43 AMG. That's my 1988 Honda CRX. Normally I don't have two cars here. I have that car here just so I could work on it a little bit. But anyway, we're taking this car on the Hot Rod Power Tour. We were supposed to take our 73 AMC Hornet. Basically, we got a bunch of delays from Corona screwing up the supply chain. So we're not able to take the Hornet. We're gonna take this car. To make it not nearly as dorky as just taking a new Mercedes, we're gonna put bikes on the roof. So I have a bike rack and I put bikes on the roof a lot of other times, but here is the bike I'm gonna take. It's a 64 Schwinn Stingray. This is actually one of the bikes that was on the roof when Chip Foose offered to buy. This is the bike he offered to buy. Anyway, I'm gonna bring this purple 64, probably pretty expensive bike. And on the passenger side, I think my dad's gonna bring an orange crate or an apple crate or something. So we'll have two bikes on the roof for all of PowerTour. I think it's gonna be super cool. I'm gonna try to drag race with a bike on the roof if they let me, but I doubt they will. Another thing that I did for PowerTour that I think is gonna be super cool. If you want one of these, send me a message or something and I'll send one to you for free, but I got stickers made and they are of my car with the bike on the roof. So that's a rendering, and I don't know, I just think it's super cool. Also, it has a QR code, so like if you're not one of my subscribers, you could scan that and subscribe. So my thought is that I'll probably have a lot of conversations on PowerTour with a lot of people, be able to hand this out instead of like a flyer, business card or something, because who doesn't want stickers? Right now, I'm just kind of going through and getting the car a little bit ready, because if you've ever ridden in any of my cars or seen any of my cars, you know they're almost always dirty. The outside I'm not worried about right now, but the inside of this car is so trashed. I'm kind of embarrassed. I don't know if you can see, but every goldfish cracker that I found, I've thrown in there, and it's been several handfuls. And some idiot, me, gave the kids pixie sticks. So there's just like pixie stick dust all over. You want a pixie stick? Who spilled the pixie stick in the back seat?
What did? He did.
So I'm gonna try to wipe it up like with a damp cloth first, I guess, and then, oh, there's more goldfish. Look at this. I'm the worst car owner ever. I guess it's a good thing that I usually total the car versus selling a car when I'm done with it, because if I had to sell it, that would suck. I just remembered, I do this like petrol box thing, and every month they send, there's usually like a cleaning product. So I've got Malco fabric coat and Jax Wax fabric and carpet cleaner. So I'll try the fabric and carpet cleaner first. Don't worry, Super Clean, you're still my go-to for cleaning products. All right, it's a few minutes later. I got it looking pretty good, actually. No more pixie stick dust and no more goldfish crackers. So that back seat is looking all right. I still have to like vacuum it and stuff. I didn't do the seal or whatever, the protectant, because I'm definitely not that level of overachiever. I had the car at the dealer the other day and they were doing just like the normal service and stuff. The battery, I get this error that the battery is going bad. So I'm like, cool, let's get a new battery. And the dealer quoted it was like $500 to replace it, including labor and diagnostic or whatever, which I thought was ridiculous. I don't know, it doesn't matter. I'm like, no, I'll just do it myself. And anyway, I was like, I want to get an Optimo battery because it's yellow, it'll look cooler under the hood. Let me show you how sick this Optimo battery is. Yeah, I'm an idiot. The battery is under there. You can kind of see the yellow. But to get to the battery, you have to open this, and then, nope, still not there. You've got the cabin air filter. There's the Optimo battery. Ironically, the Optimo battery was only like $300 versus the, I don't know, I think if I would have just bought the battery from the dealer, it was like $250, so it was a little bit, doesn't really matter. I need to clean this at some point. It's super dirty, but thanks for watching, like and subscribe. I never say that, but I probably should, so.